There she is. 2014 Yamaha R6, nicknamed Kakarot. And there she goes, overheating. Oh my god, seriously? Please no. Oh my god. Alright, and we're back. Yes, I've been riding around with, don't ever do what I do. Welcome to a little update video, or mod update video, I guess. Wrapped in gold chrome, Super Saiyan chrome, nicknamed Kakarot. We are here again with just an update on what we've been doing and kind of see everything all together matched in. It's a beautiful day here in Mexico, so the weather is amazing. The weather is perfect. Still wearing all this gear makes me hot as hell right now. I'm sweating, so please excuse the heavy breathing. Gold chrome wrap. We have Woodcraft frame sliders right here that I got colored and made them little custom looking gold ones. The ASV levers, so we had these levers before, but this one was red and this one right here was black, and then they had the opposite colored dials. So this one I think was like red, or well, this is, the handlebar was red, or this lever was red, then it had black, and if this one was black, then it had red. So we took those off. I was gonna get them powder coated to a gold color, but I said what better than just talk with ASV levers and actually get a lever that's gold by them. So default OEM gold or aftermarket gold, but the company's gold. This one for some reason shakes, so the little hole where the button for the brake is a little bit bigger than the old ASV lever that I had, and so this kind of shakes, and it's not because of this screw right here. I'm not sure why it shakes. Well, I just told you why it shakes. I'm not sure why it's like that though. I don't know why they would design it like that, or maybe did I do something wrong. But yeah, I don't like that extra little circle here where this little thing goes. You hear that click is a little bit bigger. The circumference is wider, thicker, so this one shakes. I hate that. But the lever is amazing. I still have to dial these in, so as I finish this video and we go back for a ride, then I'll start dialing these in, and they're adjustable, so I want to find that perfect range. And shout out to ASV levers, because we work with them. And then this right here is the clutch one. This one is shaking like crazy. I think the nut that holds this bolt down is probably fell off, so it's not a big deal because it's in there. I just got to make sure, because I don't have a toolkit or anything to look down, which this is a great reminder, always carry a toolkit. So I just need to tie this bolt down. That's why this one's shaking. But also ASV brand new handlebar. This black thing right here, we got that brand new. This thing right here, brand new. But I still have to, it has a perfect amount of clutch play. That clutch play area is perfect, that little gap, but I still haven't adjusted this where how I'm on Nimbus on Broly, or on Nimbus only right now. My lever is perfectly set to where I want that friction zone to be and the clutch to let out. I still got to do all that, and I don't know if I can do it today in today's ride since this bolt is loose. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I don't want this to fly out. I don't think it would, but who knows. The biggest and most important thing that we got was the EvoTech radiator guard, which I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know how to tilt my head for you guys to see it, but basically in there we have a radiator guard now. So that's the best thing ever, because lots of times when I'm riding around, as this wheel turns, there's stuff in the air that could fly and hit your radiator, and it could puncture your radiator. I have the radiator guard and oil cooler guard on both Broly and Nimbus even before I hit the streets ever, so I knew it was protected and I knew I could do whatever I want and it wouldn't puncture my radiator. So thankfully in the 6,500 miles that we rode this, since it's 2014 R6, my first bike, all the miles I put on here, nothing ever happened to the radiator. No punctures, no cracks or rips or tears, none of that stuff. Did have some bugs on there, but in the build series video you guys can see we washed it off, cleaned it, and then put the radiator guard on there. And now you can zoom, do whatever the hell you want, and you know that if rocks or something hit your radiator, you have a guard on it. So one of the biggest things I wanted to do for this bike, because every time I ride Broly or Nimbus and I come back and I ride this bike, the steering is just all over the place. It's not as, I can easily turn to left and right, and not in a good way compared to other bikes. And also whenever I'm, gunning it down a street or a road, or if we're making a sex tape with another fellow car or bike or whatever, we're doing stuff on the streets, I'm always scared of tank slappers. So this is a GPR stabilizer. first ride with it, so I'm gonna make that video. Once we're done with this, we're gonna hit the streets. It's not calibrated yet. Basically, the more you turn it and the higher number you go, the stiffer and harder it is to turn your bike left to right. I believe that's the best explanation for it. I think we haven't done anything. I've left it at 1. On the instructions it said that start off with 1, start riding, and then slowly turn the dial, make it more, and then find your sweet spot. Don't just start off right on like 2, 3, 4. Start off from the bottom and add more resistance as needed. Bazaz quick shifter. We're going to be removing these pegs. I still haven't done that yet. These LED lights that we have in the back, we're going to be removing that. We still have the biggest mod that we're ever going to do to this bike, which is the ECU flash, which is going to happen very soon, and this toast exhaust. We're going to be removing the exhaust. We're going to be putting in a full system, so the fat cat is going to be gone. We got some rear sets at home as well. We're going to be taking these off, putting on some rear sets. These pegs are sharper than a blade because we dropped it and the edge of the peg broke, and now this thing is sharp as hell, and I can't tell you how many scratches and cuts I've had over the years that I've owned this bike because of this these cracked foot pegs on both sides. So we're going to be removing that. There's a ton more mods that we're going to be doing, but overall that's the big mod update of the things we did on the R6. I think they're very big things, especially the GPR stabilizer. The levers is more aesthetic. All right, this is just to make it look good, and this gold matches this gold, which matches that gold, which matches that gold, which matches that gold, which matches the fork gold, but nothing ever matched the chrome wrap gold, Super Saiyan gold, because it's, well, it's chrome, it's mirrored, so it's impossible to match it. And I'm running out of breath, and it's a hot day inside in my helmet, but outside it's a very cold and nice day. So as soon as you start riding, it's going to feel a lot better. But one thing I'm very excited about is just riding again. For the longest time I've been working on these bikes, I've been busy with other life stuff, and I haven't really been able to ride and really make videos and enjoy, you know, the bikes. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys this. Turn the bike on. We have the beautiful headlights from Moto Dynamics. Yeah, I don't know if I ever showed you guys this. Turn left. I think I have. Turn left, and this little line right here actually turns and blinks. It would be kind of cooler if it had that cool yellow amber look to it, but this one actually, this line blinks, so people in front of you know exactly where you're turning left or right. Make it go right, and it actually shows you that. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure I made a video on that. It's just been so long, man, and so much has happened in my life. We did a lot of big mods. A lot of other big mods are coming. I want to finish this bike about 75 to 80% and then move our attention to the other bikes, because we have mods for those sitting around as well. But for now, at least we can ride her without, you know, with more safety, and knowing that we're not going to puncture the radiator, and I guess just a little bit more steering control, I want to say. But we're going to get back on the streets. We're going to come back here when we have some more mods done on the bike. We'll come back here, show those off. I can go through like everything that we've done. It's just going to take so long. We have other videos. I just kind of wanted to highlight more of what we've done. We've done a lot more, so if you guys are more curious about those things, again, links in the description for the past mod update videos, and you guys can catch all those things over there. I'm gonna start riding. We're gonna go to the training ground, and we're gonna see if we can dial this in. That's the biggest thing that I want to do right now, is dial that in and get better at my downshifting, because, well, I still haven't learned this Bazaz quick shifter, and it's customizable. It's something that I really need to figure out. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. Riding Insane is still here, man. He just took a break. All right, so until next time, ride safe, drive safe. Front camera will be back soon. I just have to still set up the new GoPro to face me, the correct angle, and I just gotta do so many things. But until next time, this is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me, because I love you, and I'm out. Peace. I thought that pole shadow was somebody sitting and staring at me, but it is not.